Good morning, traders. It is 10:04 a.m., January 29th, 2026, and we have a great trading day ahead of us. It is shaping up to be a good one. So, let's get started. Right, let me actually first say disclaimer, this is not financial or investment advice at all. Let's get started with the first section of our morning market update, and that is a new section. I'm going to be calling it front page or F off, or front page or fuck off. I don't know if YouTube will censor me or not, but what it is we're going to be looking at the front page of the Wall Street Journal, and we're going to be trying to determine if a news event has noise or signal in it. Is it just noise going on today, or is there a signal that we should change how we're going to handle risk going forward? So let's get started with front page. Let's get started with front page or F off. So Fed holds key interest rates steady. Knew that was going to happen. Nothing to do with the financial markets here. Something to do with Tesla here. No surprise that their profit dropped 61%. Trump playbook, a doom loop of deflation traps. I actually like Chinese stocks right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if this is more of a propaganda play to have people not invest in Chinese markets. But dollar's big decline poses risk to U.S. prestige. We know the dollar's declining, and that's partly why our whole index is increasing. Bill Belichick, can't believe he got snubbed. Let's see over here, 2/3 FBI, Mandani, purchases. Starbucks, cut around. Yeah, I'm seeing just a lot of noise today. This does not change how we're going to handle risk on the day. Risk is on. We're going to keep handling our open positions, and then we're going to go from there. All right, let's go into Trading View and look at all the assets today. All right, we got Trading View right here. Let me make sure everything's working. All right, SPY. Actually, we should start with the VIX today. So yesterday was the interest rate decision. We knew we were going to see heightened volatility. So we're already up almost 15% of the day in the VIX, and that is normal after an interest rate decision. When the VIX gets to 21 or so, I think about shaving down some of my positions, but right now we're not at 19 yet. We hit 19 today, but we're not there right now, so I'm hanging on. I'm not thinking about anything. So SPY, we're already down 75 basis points on the day, maybe finding support on the 10 and 20 day. Triple Qs, same deal, down 137 basis points on the day. MID mid caps down 45 basis points on the day. IWM small caps down 34 basis points on the day. And then the metals is what's really crazy here. Up 88 basis points on the day for silver, 100 basis points on gold. Copper, we're up 686 basis points around, and we had a large gap up, and they seem to be getting hammered on the downside right now with heavy volume. So is today the first day that we'll have a red day in silver or in gold in a while? Copper, I think, may show some great entries. Let's look at the dollar. Dollar is at a real low level. It broke this huge box of consolidation here. Don't like to see that, but if you go to the 12-month chart, each one of these candles is a year long. We've been at this level before. We've been at this level many times, so you can either panic or not, and I'm just choosing not to panic because what good does panic do for me? Alrighty. We already looked at the VIX. Let's look at some hot sectors and themes. This plays into the midterm election theme. Trump is going to try to do anything to uphold the consumer and get more votes. He wants Congress. And this is a consumer staples chart here. So you see the basket of these names to be increasing. XLK is technology. And the lid was taken off yesterday, right? Now we're having a huge red day so far. It's absolutely massive, actually. Um, Down 265 basis points already on the day. So we'll see if this can continue. Is it heightened volatility just from interest rate decision or not? TAN Solar ETF is another hot name here, and I own one of these stocks in here. And we're down 343 basis points, and we had a breakout on around the 22nd or 21st here. Coming back, maybe going to find support on the 10 or 20 moving average. Really nothing to fret yet. It's been holding these key moving averages. Then the metals and mining theme, testing the 10-day moving average, but we had a massive breakout way back here, and I've already talked about metals in the day. We know how crazy they are. So let's go into the positions I currently own and how I'm managing them. BE, I am managing probably on the 20-day moving average or the 50-day. I really want to hang on to this as long as I can. I think it's a great company. I think energy in the stock market is the bottleneck. We need more energy. We need energy to keep up with our AI advancements, to keep up with China. So this will be a focus. IREN, I'm going to be hanging on using the 20-day as my trailing stop loss. KTOS, I will be using either the 20 or the 50-day as my stop loss. I like the drone stocks right now. This is a drone stock. So I'm going to be trying to hang on. But if you look at, where's my ADR? Oh, it's up here now. High ADR, there's going to be a 7.19% swing average over the last 20 trading sessions, so I have to be stone hands and I have to be prepared for that. PL, I'm going to at least use the 20-day. I haven't decided if I'm going to use the 50-day yet. Probably the 20-day. Hopefully we can just push higher. Quadruple U, heightened volatility here. Not surprised. I really like this name still. I wouldn't be surprised if it found support on the 10-day and kept pushing higher. And then this has a 10.46% ADR. That means on the past 20 trading days, its average price movement is 10.46%. SHLS, this is a solar name, and I'm liking the way this looks. I originally bought on the 26th, realized my position was too small. I doubled my position on the 27th, had a breakout yesterday. Let's see if we can continue higher even with a heightened VIX. CIFR, not good price action here. My stop is on the low of the day on the 27th, and the low is 1645. GSAT, not looking good here either. My stop is at the low of the day yesterday, which is 63.30. Just gonna hold on there. And then two stocks I'm watching. ONDS, no entry today. I'm just looking for relative strength here because I like it. We had a move of almost 85% recently, and for a stock to go up 1,000%, you need to have it double first. So this has shown great strength. The entry's not today, it'll be sometime next week. ELO, metal exposure. I don't even have access to this with my broker, but the setup is absolutely wonderful. It follows the theme of the market. This would be a great stock here. Remember, this is not financial or investment advice at all. Alrighty, that does it for the morning market update. If you guys found any value in this, go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe to my letter, subscribe to my YouTube. It all helps. I love doing this for you guys. Have a safe trading day. Have a safe rest of your day. Have fun. Bye now.